What is going on, guys? In today's video I'll be showing y'all how to change your light in your glove box to an LED. In your 99 to 2004, I believe, Tacoma 400s, I believe, should be the same. We're going to go from incandescent to LEDs because this light, when your lights are on, it's always on, so they burn out. Okay, so what you do here, you see down here the little latch. You don't even need to take this glove box out, even though you can. I'm not going to do it in this case. What you simply do is you get like a little pick, and then you move that latch here forward. It just pops open, just like that. Okay, and that gives you access to the bulb right in there. Need in the job, like I said, is a pick to open up that little latch. You'll need some electrical tape. I got some Scotch 33 plus, and I got some needle nose pliers. What you're going to do is take some of this electrical tape, rip it off, and wrap up the tip of this needle nose plier so that you will have better grip for that little bulb. Unless you have little tiny micro fingers, you're not going to be able to get your hands up in there. You can try. What you're going to do once you get that tape on there, put this up in there, feel for the bulb. Don't apply too much breaker as not to break it, the bulb. You pull that out, right? Just like that. Alright? And these are the LED bulbs. They have polarity, so if you pop them in and it doesn't work the first time, you just got to flip it around. What I mean is either like this or like this, just flip it around, right? So I'll have a link below in the description on where to get everything I'm using here, just to make it easier for you. You can go check it out and see what they go for. First attempt didn't work because I put it in the wrong polarity. Now I'm going to try it with these numbers facing outside the car, not facing you. So see how that works. Okay. Alright, so that's how you take it out. Push these in and the glove box pops out. There you go. Yes. Alright guys, check it out. We have light. We have light. We have light. Alright, just close that back up. Like that. And then push these back in. It goes down, that little clip, it's holding it, and then push these in like that, you're good to go. So see, when you open it, the light's always going to be on. So these LEDs, and I'll have the description down below. I got like a pack of 20 for pretty cheap. Price always changes, so go check out and see how much these are, and they'll give you better longevity. And you can see it's not even dark, and it's lighting everything up. Okay, so what I'm going to do next is my shifter. Stay tuned for a video on that as well. I want to thank you all for watching. If this video helps out, please thumbs up and subscribe, and peace out.